Hey, friends and purpose partners, question for you. How many of you are spending money every month on 3 or more software programs for your business? If you're spending more than $100 a month on your business on multiple different platforms and softwares, stick around because I'm going to share with you an option that will cut all of that down into one login, one password, and just one price. So let's dive in. Hey, friends and purpose partners, welcome back. How many of you would just love to have one password, one login, one low price for all of your business needs? I want to share with you an all-in-one platform called Scalability, and majority of you who have not used Scalability or an all-in-one platform, you're spending so much money each month trying to piecemeal your business together with all these different platforms, and it really is costing you time and money. The average business owner is going to replace 3 software programs and save over $150 per month with Scalability. So Scalability is an all-in-one sales and marketing software for the kingdom-minded solopreneur, or as I like to say, the kingdompreneur. So I love Scalability for me and my kingdom business. I specialize in business coaching and system operations for entrepreneurs in the online space who really do want to streamline their tech stack and really just make their life and business so much easier. What I love about Scalability for my clients is that there's no coding skills needed. There's no contracts. You can literally cancel at any time. And it really does work for any business. I've worked with health coaches, fitness coaches, trainers, financial advisors, real estate agents, doctors' offices. And this really is a platform that supports all different business types. And my favorite part about it as a kingdompreneur is that the owner and founder, Aaron Jennings, is all about bringing multiplication and automation into our business so that we can really serve and impact our community, our families, and the clients and customers that we're supposed to serve in a way that's going to impact the kingdom. Because guess what, right? We all know if you have a kingdom heart, the money you make, the business that you have, it's going to produce good fruit. And so I love partnering with a platform that is all about creating space for you to go out and do that by making your business and the admin side of things for your business easy, effortless, automated, and really live out the biblical principle of multiplication. I love one of the things that Aaron says is that God created for 6 days. Then he automated everything to keep it spinning so he could spend the rest of his time in relationship with us. So don't you think we should try and do the same thing? And Ecclesiastes 3:11 says, God set eternity in the human heart, and every human soul is that God-given awareness that there is something more, something eternal. And so as a kingdom entrepreneur, you know that's a relationship with God for eternity. So I really want to encourage you to quit wasting this life on busy work and tasks that can be automated, and create and automate and multiply and take the time back to invest in your relationship with God, your family, and serving others. And that's why I love Scalability and sharing this with you and with my clients, because automation really is the secret to scaling your business so that you have more time to invest in your relationship with God, to invest in your family, to invest in serving others. And so I hope that you can continue to dive in, look into this. You actually get 30 days free to try Scalability, and you'll get the support of Aaron and myself to help you set up your profile and get things going. I've created multiple videos, training you on how to use Scalability for you and your business. But let's dive into what do you actually get with a monthly subscription with Scalability. You're going to be able to capture your leads. So we have website funnels and landing pages and drag and drop surveys and forms. You have unlimited calendars and appointment scheduling. We also want to help you nurture leads into customers. So you're going to be able to easily customize your follow-up campaigns. You have multi-channel, two-way conversation management on any device. There's an app or you have the desktop version. You also have a social media planner and scheduler, and that is really awesome. So any of your professional Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Twitter's accounts, you can plan all of that in advance and have it set up to go and automate for you and just post for you. We also help you automate leads and how you nurture them and booking those appointments. So you can build rapport actually on autopilot. You can customize your messaging. You can also utilize artificial intelligence to help you with DMs. One of my favorite ways to use this is through Facebook and Instagram DMs, where I have an automation set up. If somebody comments on my post, it's automatically going to connect with them and really warm them up so that when I come in, I can take them to that next step. If you're somebody who wants to build courses and memberships, we also have full featured course management. You can offer free or paid courses, and it's really unlimited usages. The next thing I want to share with you is that you really never lose a lead and you can actually close more deals. So we actually have a workflow and pipeline inside. If you're familiar with CRM or relationship management, we have that built into Scalability. You can also invoice and collect all your payments, and all your analytics and reports are in one place. So like I said, Scalability really just gives you everything you need to succeed in one convenient location at a price that you can afford. So let's talk about that price. So you're going to get unlimited funnels, unlimited websites, unlimited courses, unlimited communities, unlimited blogs, e-com and on-demand services, unlimited calendars. You get a full CRM system. You get two-way SMS messaging, email marketing, Facebook and IG messaging, unlimited contacts, unlimited automation, forms with logic, AI generators, contracts and e-signatures, affiliate systems, mobile app. Like, you have access to all of that. And guess what? It's only $97 a month is the investment, or you can do $9.97 for the year. You actually get a month free from me, or you can do, if you do the annual, you will get 2 months free. So this is literally one of the best investments that I have found, and I work in the tech space. I've built on Kartra, Kajabi, Go High Level, Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy. I've built on multiple different platforms, and this is really the best all-in-one platform that gives you everything that you need that's going to help you replace Calendly and ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, ClickFunnels. It's gonna replace all that, and it's gonna save you money and actually save you time. And so I'd love to invite you to start your free trial by clicking the link below. And I will be there to help you step by step. Just reach out to me and we can get connected. And I'll also connect you with Erin. And we have a whole Facebook community where we are supporting each other and giving you all the training and resources that you need to really be successful, because we want you to build a financial impact. We want you to build kingdom impact with your business and with your services and offers that God has placed in your heart. Drop a comment, or you can also just click the link and get started right away with your free trial. So let me know what other questions you have, and I look forward to serving you in the future.